Septic tank riser leaks or cracks can cause major headaches, and knowing when to repair or replace those risers can save you tons of hassle. So, first off, if your septic tank riser is leaking or cracked, don't just ignore it because it can mess with your whole septic system. You want to check the riser regularly, especially after heavy rain or freezing weather, since those conditions make cracks worse. If the crack is small and not leaking too bad, you might be able to patch it up with a waterproof sealant designed for septic tanks. But if the damage is bigger, like the riser is warped or has multiple cracks, swapping it out completely is way safer. Make sure you use risers made of durable materials like high-density polyethylene or fiberglass, since they last longer and resist cracks better. Also, double-check that the riser lid fits tightly to stop any smells from escaping and keep water out. When you're fixing or replacing, keep the area clean and wear gloves, because septic tanks can have harmful bacteria. And if you are unsure about how bad the damage is or how to fix it properly, it never hurts to call a pro who knows septic systems. One of the biggest problems with septic tank risers is ignoring small cracks, because those can quickly turn into leaks that damage your whole system. Fix that by inspecting regularly and sealing small cracks right away. Another common issue is using the wrong materials for patching, which don't hold up long and leave you back at square one. Always pick products rated for septic tanks. Last, people often don't secure the riser lids properly, leading to bad smells and water intrusion. Make sure the lids snap tight and are checked every season. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle septic tank repairs right. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find new jobs and grow their business in their area.